doors forever trusting.
Please remain seated. This is just a test. Hi guys, and now we arrive at Kawayan Isabela Airport. And I'm not here to do leisure or what. I'm here for business. The last thing I know, di ba, sabi sa inyo, sobrang stress ko. Kasi ngayon nandito na ako sa Isabela. Saan talaga ako napapunta dahil sa trabaho. The weather here is quite hot and I'm just waiting for our driver kasi pinauna namin sila dito para may car kami. Ayan na ba yun? Pag-enjoy sila. Oh, kamusta ka, Kuya Buboy? May kainan ba? Daan muna tayo sa kainan. Kumain na ba kayo? Oh, sige, wag na. Now we're here at Kawayan Mall. We're going to Santiago City. Jollibee drive-thru. Look at our secretary.
Ano ba yun? Nakakainis talaga to. Ilalagay mo pa ako dyan.
So guys, we're lunching on the go because, you know, due to time constraints.
Yung Mia. Yung batal.
So I'm done with my first agenda here in Santiago Isabela. Overnight lang. Oo. Hi guys! And now I'm here at the hotel. We're staying at Hotel Zen. And I'm quite disappointed, you guys. So this is my bed, just a single bed, just a small bed. Then here's the bathroom, then another bed, then a writing desk. And here in my front is just a console. Reminder to those people who wanted to go to Isabela, I suggest that you find a good hotel. Kasi parang medyo mahirap siyang humanap na magandang hotel dito. Anyways, here's the bathroom. It's kind of small. I want to transfer to a bigger room. So guys, there is a cockroach here in our room. I don't have any other choice but to transfer to our room. Kadiri naman, no? I don't want to stay in a room with a cockroach. Okay. And tinasfer na nila kami ng room. Ayan na. Ito na yung junior suite room nila. And apparently, this is way much bigger than before. So it's pretty much the same, but I have the area here na mas okay and CR. And kasing liit lang siya. Same lang. But the difference is I have a balcony now. So here's a balcony and this is the view. Pool na may lights and any other room over there. Ayan guys. So I changed my lip color to MAC number. So this is what I'm wearing. Itong Tory Burch lang kasi kanina ito yung gamit ko, yung Louis Vuitton na flats. Pero kasi, struggle. Kakain na naman mag-chinelas na lang. And guys, pala, may bagong technology na pala. Itong card na to, pinapalitan lang natin ng kahit anong card. Pero ito, radio frequency card na daw siya. So, parang may chip na ata siya, kaya hindi na siya pwedeng palitan. So, bababa na kami and yan pa rin yung view dito sa elevator. Dito na kami sa Robinsons kasi sarado na lahat. Nakaka-lurks. Grocery! Ayan, tapos na kami pupunta sa Robinsons over there. And babalik na kami sa hotel. Kauwi ko lang sa hotel. Nag-grocery lang kami. Ayan, mga konting chichirya. Para bukas, if ever na papunta na naman kami sa daan, hindi kami magugutom. Bumili din ako ng bottled water. Kasi alam niyo naman, maarte. And ayan, yung mga pang-bath essentials. Guys, good morning! So now, it's another morning. So yun guys, kakain lang kami ng breakfast kasi binigyan nila kami ng stop. So let's see if okay ba yung food nila. Let's go! Makeup lang ako. Kasi nga, di ba, meeting. Nilipat ko yung table. Ito na yung table. Ito yung nandito. Pinagpalit ko sila. And dito na ako magmi-makeup by the window para maganda yung lighting. Check it out. Now I'm here at the car and on the way back to Kawayan. And I'm just wearing this simple top. Yung parehas ang sinuot ko the last vlog. And just an update, di ba nagpa-room upgrade kami? They didn't charge us ng 500 additional for the room upgrade. Parang complimentary na siya. I'm back to the hotel. Parang puro hotel na lang footage ko. But basically, hindi na kasi ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Ang dami mo kasi masyadong ginawa. And this is the hotel. Ayan, super simple lang. Actually, sa lahat na nakita ko, parang ito na yung pinaka-okay around Cagayan. So, if you're planning to go to Isabela, mahirap paghanap ng magandang hotel. Hi guys, and good morning! And today, pauwi na kami sa Manila. And ayan na, uwi na ako sa Manila. Bye, room! So, the agenda now is to find pasalubong for my dad because he called me earlier. Gusto niya daw ng pasalubong. So, back at Manila Airport, inaantay ko na lang si Charles kasi medyo na-delay siya. Ayan, so kumakain muna ako dito. So, team siya to it. Yan, papunta na kami sa car ngayon. Ang layo. Ngayon pupunta na ako straight sa school. Hindi na muna ako papahinga. Kunin ko yung ticket para sa graduation namin.
Kasi mahirap makakapin yan.
So, nandito na kami sa school. So, yan guys. Nandito na kami sa Robinson's Place.
Camera ko. Ito kami ngayon sa Tongyang.
I miss my room and yeah guys, that will be it for today's vlog. Kailangan ko pa mag-rest kasi early pa ako tomorrow and thank you so much guys for watching this vlog and until my next vlog. Bye!